And your cluster is out. Hello everybody. Today's little job is a Ford Galaxy instrument cluster. It's in for repair and refurb. Got to make a quick little video how to get them out. Now, it's not a difficult job. Basic tools: T20 Torx, a screwdriver, a trim tool, 10mm socket, 13mm socket. That's all I use to get it out from memory. Reason that this is in for repair is the center display is tripping out, needles are tripping out, usual thing. We refurb them all the time. Now, they look very much like a Focus. If you've taken a Focus one out, it takes about 2 minutes. These are different. There's the top cowling here that has to pop up with the 2 screws underneath, but you can't get to them. Don't be tempted to bodge it and get them out. You'll bend all the clips up, you make a mess of it. So there's a few trims. This down the side has to come out. The airbag underneath has to be pulled forward, and these side trims there need to pop out. And I'm going to show you how to do it. I will have it out in probably about, on video, 2 minutes. In reality, about 15. Right, let's make a start. Right, so get hold of the door rubber, pull it back, and there's a trim here that needs to come off. So we're going to open up the drawer, and this, I've loosened it already. This bit pops out, and that exposes the first screws we've got to take off. Let's see if we can find them. There they are, hidden away. T20s. See if I can get a better view for you. Okay, so now we're going to take these 2 little poppers out. You just need a screwdriver to ease the heads up. You whip these out, and then this just pops off, leaving the screw under there at the back to take out. And then we're going to get this panel off, which is held on by that little screw up there. Another T20. Take that out, and we're plain sailing. Once you got that screw out, this bit will just pop off really easy. With this panel pulled back, this is a screw which is now exposed, hidden by that panel. You've got to take that one out to get the cowling out. Over the other side, get hold of this little lever and pop it down. We've got the T20 there, and the T20 up there. And this one here, we have to lower the OBD socket cover, and hidden away here is another T20. Take them out, that's the next job. To get the airbag out, or just to move it forward, we're not taking it right out, but we've got to move it forward to give us some more space. That's held on by 2 10mm bolts. There's one just there, and there's one just there. And the last one for the side cowling is a 10mm bolt, which is just there. With those taken out, we can then pop this down. We don't need to take the airbag all the way out. We've just got to expose the screws here, these 2. So let's see if we can get a better view of those. With that down, you've again got the last 2 T20s to take out, which is one there, which is part of that cowling, and the other one, which let's see if we can get some light on it and show you properly. Oh, just got a glimpse of it there, that one there. If you can just see that one. This one here. So let's start taking that one out and then get the rest off. Once those screws are out of the way, this top cowling simply pops forward. You just grab it here and you can pull it out of the clips, and then that bit comes up out of the way, leaving the last couple of screws. And the last 2 screws, which are a Phillips screw, there's one there and there's one just down in there. Let's see if we can zoom in on these little puppies and show you a bit better. So there's that one, and there's that one. Those 2 screws have got to come out, which I've loosened already. Right, final 2 screws out, and then with a little wriggle at the bottom, we can slide it forward. So much easier with 2 hands. And there's enough cable on the back here to get to the multi-plug, which is over this side here. Come on, focus. Come on, camera, focus for me. Here we go, we're in focus. Now there's the little release tab, which you just push down with your nail, and then you have the ratchet lever here, and you just pull that ratchet lever out, and out it comes. And your cluster is out. Send it to us, ecuconnection.co.uk. We'll refurb it for you, get it all working, send it back to you as quick as we can.